Clones, open up! Ho, ho, ho. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose.
Wow.
And if you ever saw it, you would even say it close.
All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names.
They never let poor Rudolph join in the reindeer games.
Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, what?
Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight?
Then how the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history.
Ho, ho, ho!
Sabay pa tayo. Merry Christmas! Simulan na natin ang kantahan na may isang papremyo. Send in
the clone! Eto na po ang clone ni Gary V.
Hindi ko na alam kung makakaya ko pa, di bale na lang kaya. Ako pa kaya nasa puso niya, di bale na lang kaya. Ngunit mahal ko siya. Di bale na lang.
Send in the
The
clone!
clone! Ito po ang clone ni Freddie Mercury. You had your time, you had your power, you've yet to have your finest hour. Radio. All we hear is Radio Gaga, Radio Goo Goo, Radio Gaga. All we hear is Radio Gaga, Radio blah blah, Radio what's new, Radio someone still loves you.
Send in the clone!
Eto na ang clone ni Miley Cyrus.
I can buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand, talk to myself for hours, yeah, say things you don't understand. I can take myself dancing, yeah, I can hold on in, yeah, I can love me better than you can.
Si Miley Cyrus na engaged na.
Yes,
Ulit.
congrats, Smiley.
Congrats, Miley.
Dabber Cats, the clones.
Team Studio, kayo mga VIP natin na pwede maglaro at panalo ng mga tip na hawak ng mga Dabber Cats, Jules, Raisa, and Karen.
VIPs, are you ready? Hanap na tayo ng unang VIP.
Here we go.
There go Team Studio.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it... Uy!
Ay, si Rudolph.
Ayun na.
Sino yun?
Merry Christmas, Dabber Cats.
Bagets.
Parang nakapang-Christmas na.
Oo,
Pag-simbang
mamahalan.
gabi na yung suot.
Partner, anong pangalan mo?
Austin Dale.
Austin Dale.
Austin
Ganda naman ang
Dale.
pangalan.
Austin Dale, ilan
Taga
taon ka
saan
na?
kayo?
18 please.
18 years old.
Bata.
Taga saan kayo?
I'm from Quezon City, Commonwealth.
Taga Commonwealth ka.
Yes. Yes.
Kapitbahay tayo. Taga Paranaque kami.
Ha?
Austin, ikaw ba ay nag-aaral pa?
Yes po.
Ano, high school, college?
Senior high school, grade 11.
Senior
Grade
high school.
11.
Kaya naman maliwanag na absent siya today.
Ay, shout out kay ma'am, saka sa mga classmates. Mamahalin mo kami kasama siyang umabsent today, ang kanyang mga
Sino
Dabber
ba yan?
Cats.
Sino yung mga yan?
Mga kaibigan ko po sa gym po, tsaka kaklase ko dati.
Yeah.
Bossing!
Sa gym!
Nag-gym sila. Wala yan? Kahawak na ng biceps?
Ay,
fairness.
pero.
Oo.
Pero pag Mag-gym ba yan kung hindi kumakanta yan?
Ay,
Mama?
pag-
Oo
kumanta
naman.
Kumakanta ako.
Oh.
Siyempre. Ano kakantahin natin?
The Phoenix, Fallout Boys.
The
Oh.
Phoenix?
Kung ano man yun.
Fallout Boy.
Fallout Boys.
Sabi
Sige,
ni Pedro,
kantahin mo.
ano?
Susundan ka ng banda.
Ay, may
Ay,
kodi
may
ko, may
lyrics.
kodi ko.
Aba, may kodigo
Hindi
ka, ha?
prepared.
Handa siya. Naka-ready yung lyrics.
Pagbukas ng phone yun ako sa karaoke.
Oh, sige. Unahin mo,
Tira.
susundan ka ni Pedro.
Mauna ka.
Sa
Teka,
simula.
nag-google.
Kahit
Nag-google pa si Pedro. Eh.
Chorus.
Go, Austin.
Palakpakan natin si Austin Dabarkat. Go, Austin.
Simula tayo sa simulata. Put on your war paint. You wanna break time to me, that's dragon break down. That's a match, then I burn you to the ground. Dark the jack-o'-lanterns and your lies setting fire to the sky. Here comes
Ryan?
it's a rising
Okay,
sun.
Ryan.
So come on,
Dalan-dala si Ryan, grabe.
put on your war paint. Crossbox and cross arts and hope to die silver clouds with rain lightnings. So we can take the world back from the heart attack.
Come on,
One
bring it in, bring it in.
minute at a time, we will take it
Itigil na
back.
natin
You know time grows
Hindi
on
siya
when you wait
magpapapigil.
for the
Hindi
stars
siya
to start. So
magpapapigil.
dance alone to the beat of your heart. Hey, I'm blood, doesn't it feel like time is running out?
Come on, Austin!
I'm gonna change you like a remix. Then I'll raise you like a phoenix. None of vintage misery.
Ayaw ba?
Simulan na natin ang Game 1! Sarap ba? Sarap?
Oo, nag-enjoy siya eh.
Yun ang maganda, nag-enjoy. Pero, Austin, Game 1, tama o mali? Pakinggan mo si Lucky Robles, the clone of Gary V.
Joy to the world, the Lord has come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the world, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ. Rock seals and plains. Repeat the sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy.
Austin, ano title ng kananta mo?
The Phoenix Fallout Boys.
The Phoenix.
Yeah po, The Phoenix.
Oh,
By
sige.
Fallout Boy.
Phoenix. Okay.
Bahala ka.
May kodigo mo. Wala naman kami naintindihan sinabi.
Sorry.
Tama o mali, pare? As of 2024, kasama sa Spotify's top 10 most streamed Christmas holiday tracks of all time ang Joy to the World. Nasa top 10 ba siya?
Naintindihan mo?
Yes po, yes.
Most streamed Christmas holiday
Kasi baka Phoenix ang
tracks.
alam mo eh.
Tama o mali? 10 seconds to decide. Timer starts now.
Saan ka, Austin? Tama o mali?
Kailangan sumagot ka.
Ba't ka sumunod sa akin? Nagpahinga lang ako rito.
Ang sabi niya ay tama. Ano, tama kaya siya o may tama siya?
Parang may tama po.
Tignan natin. Check or X.
Hello!
Come on, Austin!
Austin!
Austin, tignan mo!
Doon, sa screen mo tingnan.
Ay, mali.
Kasi nga, Phoenix may
Mali
X.
ang tama. Mali yung tama. Mali, wala sa top 10. Ito, tingnan natin yung top 10.
Yung top 10.
Ang number 1 dyan ay... All I Want for
Ay,
Christmas
si
is
Mariah
You.
Carey.
Uy, The Phoenix, oh!
Oh, hindi naman.
Last Christmas. Basta,
Christmas tracks.
number 1 yung All I Want
Most
for
stream
Christmas.
holiday tracks.
Last
of all
Christmas.
time.
Alam mo na, wala
yes,
sa
ma'am.
top 10.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Austin.
Austin.
Maraming salamat.
Salamat pa din.
Doon ka.
Ako rin. So,
Saan punta?
Thank you, Austin.
Next, VIP!
Here we go, Dabber Gods!
Good on the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if we ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer... Oh, sino yun?
Nasa tuktok na walang hanggan.
Asan siya?
Ayun sa taas.
Nasa upper box.
Oh, yun. Come on down, darling.
Pababa na siya.
Taas
Ang
ang
sexy.
energy nito eh. Kanina
Oo.
pa umalan, pero
Ay.
di pa lang.
Kanina ko pa nakikita, so game 1 pa lang. Ayan.
Talaga?
Yes, ma'am. What's your name?
Nel Rose po.
Nell Rose.
Nel Rose. Parang bata pa si Nel Rose eh.
How old are you,
Hi,
Nell
Nell
Rose?
Rose.
How old are you?
How old are you? How old are you?
21 po.
21 na.
Okay.
Pero nag-aaral pa yan. Ano? Extra? Saan?
Hindi na po ako nag-aaral kasi dapat third year na ako kaso
College?
nabully po ako. Opo.
Ah.
Nag-stop
Kasi?
na.
Nabully po ako ng
Sino
mga
nag-bully sa'yo? Hindi, ituro
Sige,
mo.
Turo mo.
Sino nag-bully dito?
Mamalan. Sandali. Alamin natin ang ano. Dapat may ebidensya.
Kaya di bang bullying is bad?
Yes, wag
Oo.
ganun, Dabber Gods.
O sige.
Oh.
Pero
Ito.
pabalik ka pa naman sa school, no?
Opo.
Oh, very good ka
O
din
teka,
dyan.
Nell Rose, may kantahan tayo. Anong
Yes.
gusto nating kantahin?
Pwede po yung Wish I May.
Oo naman.
Yeah,
Sige,
Wish I
sige,
May.
sige.
Wish I may, Alden.
Hindi ba yung Rice?
What Rice me?
Wala. Sige, kantahin mo.
Go, Nell
Nell
Rose. Wish I may.
Wish I might find a way to your heart.
Ganda.
Wish that I'll be the sun to warm you all through your life.
Pang Christmas
Wish
talaga
you
eh.
may
Oo naman, mama.
my love
Si Nell Rose pa.
that is hidden in the stars.
Ang lamig kaya ng
Wish
boses.
I
Oo, no?
may,
Pang simbang
wish I
gabi.
might be the one.
Na-enjoy mo, Nell Rose? O sobrang ka ba?
Anong feeling nakakanta ka sa TV?
Okay lang po.
Okay lang?
O ito,
Hindi po
Nell
ako
Rose,
kumakanta.
tapos na yung kantahan portion.
Opo.
Ito, pwede ka nang manalo, ha?
Opo.
Simulan
Good
na
luck.
natin ang Game 2! Nell Rose, A or B lamang. At ito, pakinggan mo si Stephen JC, ang clone ni Freddie Mercury. Let's go!
No more games, so much change, what you call rage. To the spot, roof off like two dogs cage. I was playing the beginning, the total change. I've been chewed up and spit out and booed off stage. But I kept rhyming the step, rhyme the next cipher. Best believe somebody's paying the Pied Piper. All the pain inside amplified by the fact that I can't get by with my 9 to 5, that I can't provide the right type of life for man, family's man. It's goddamn footsteps to buy typers. And this is no movie, there's no Mackay Pfeiffer. This is my life, and these times are so hard. It's keeping it in hard to try to feed the water. My C plus. See the tartar caught up between being a father and a prima donna. Baby mama drama screaming on it too much. For me, I wanna stay one spot. Another day, monotony has got to me. To the point of like a snail, I've got to formulate a plot. Oh, it up with jail or shot. Success my only option. Value's not. Mama love you, but this rail has got to go. I cannot go on and say lives not. To even go is my shot. Be prepared now, cause maybe this is the only opportunity that I got. You better lose yourself in the music the more you want it. You better never let it go. You gotta leave one shot. Do not miss a chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you want. You better never let it go. You gotta leave one shot. Do not miss a chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime.
Ang talino niya, no? Memorize niya yung haba-haba.
Sa Phoenix pa din ako.
Doon tayo kay Austin talaga. Talo!
A or B, Nell Rose? Ang kantang Lose Yourself ay original song ni Eminem na ang real name ay A. Marius Brian Mathers III or B. Marshall Bruce Mathers III? A or B? 10 seconds to decide. Timer starts now.
Ay, dito. Yes, paano yun, kuya?
Ay, perdira.
Saan ka pupunta?
A or B?
Bilis! Maubusan
Sama
ka
ka na
na
dyan. Sama ka na. Ay, sumama!
Sumama!
Umabot po ba, bossing? Umabot po?
Bakit ka sumama?
Sumama kay Marshall.
Sumama. Naku.
Sabi. Sumama, sabi.
Naku, napunta ka sa B.
Harap tayo doon.
Laka.
Nel Rose.
Sabi niya ay Marshall Bruce Mathers III.
Nasa A na kanina eh.
Sayang,
Bakit ka
lumipat
sumama
pa.
sa kanila? Tingnan
Na-out of
natin.
place lang.
Tama kaya pagkasama niya. Check or X.
Ay!
Ay, Neros!
Ah, galing!
Good job na, Rose. Okay, andyan ang tip na napanalunan mo. Pili ka kay Yul, kay
Kuha ka
Liza,
dun.
or kay Karen.
Kuha ka doon. Kunin mo doon.
Sino gusto mo?
Huwag ka mahiya. Nakahintay sila sa'yo. Kunin mo doon.
Tara. Parang ako yung gusto.
Ayaw umalis kay Maine.
Jack, give me yun.
Here.
Kay
Ay,
Yul.
si Yul. Huwag mo muna buksan, Nel Rose, ha?
Ayan,
Punta ka
baka
muna
muna.
doon. Okay? Dahil tayo ay maghahanap pa ng
Yan,
isa
yan.
pang VIP.
One more!
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. Ayun!
Ayun na nga! Aba!
Pretty girl!
What is your name, pretty girl?
My name is Imaricar P. Banda.
Imar?
Imaricar. P.
Imaricar.
Banda, yes.
Ang haba ng pangalan niya.
Ilan taon ka na?
19.
Bagets,
19.
lahat,
Uy, bagets. Teka,
Estudyante din yun. No?
Yes po.
Saan?
JPI po.
Oh, ano kinukuha mo?
Alin pa?
Anong
Anong
course?
course kinukuha mo?
Gas po, kasi undecided pa po ako eh.
Ano?
Gas po.
Ano po?
Gas.
Ano
Gas.
yun? Ano ibig sabihin nun, Riza?
General, ano?
Dahil undecided pa daw
academics.
siya.
Oo, general academics.
May ganun na ngayon.
Sige.
Imaricar.
Kung ano man yung gas na yun, nung panahon namin, wala namang gas. Puro lang ano.
Pero Imaricar, anong kanta ang gusto mong iparinig sa Dabber Cats?
Yan.
Nakalimutan ko yung title niya, pero lagi nasa utak ko to eh.
Oh,
sige.
Phoenix! The Phoenix to!
Pero kakantayin ko.
Sige.
go ahead,
Di
go.
niya lang alam yung title, pero alam niya kantahin.
Dabber Cats, Imaricar.
Sandali na lang.
Mall show.
Maaari bang pagbigyan? Aalis na nga. Maaari bang hawakan na iyong mga kamay? Sana ay maabot ang langit ang iyong mga ngiti. Sana ay masilip.
Yeah! Maganda na, magaling pa kumanta.
Thank you, Imaricar.
Parang ikaw lang.
So, ano title nun?
Phoenix po, bossing.
Phoenix.
So ano nga bang title nun, Mamalan? Torete?
Torete.
Torete po.
May Moonstar.
Oh,
88.
by Moonstar.
Toreteng Phoenix.
Phoenix pa rin. Imaricar, thank you for your song. Ito na ang Game 3. True or false lamang. At ito si Daryl Shane Jandani, the clone of Miley Cyrus.
Now the parking lot is empty. Everyone's got some place. I picked you up and in the trunk I've packed a cooler and a 2-day suitcase. 'Cause there's So we're okay, we're fine. Baby, I'm here to stop your crying. Chase all the ghosts from your head. I'm stronger than the monster beneath your bed. Smarter than the tricks played on your heart. We'll get them together and we'll take them apart. Adding up a total of a love that's true. Multiply life by the power of 2.
Ang tanong!
Maricar, true or false? Ang original singer ng kantang Power of Two ay Indigo Girls na binubuo ng 2 members. True or false? 10 seconds to decide. Timer starts now.
Ooh, true or false?
Ay! Naku! Ay, wala na.
Wala na, inabot na siya sa false.
Sa
Tagal mo
false.
kasi tawagin sa true eh.
Papunta na dun eh.
Oo eh.
Ala.
Nakita lang niya
Yung
si
kanta nga,
Phoenix.
Power of Two, di ba?
Nakaw.
Indigo Girls, binubuo ng 2 members. True or false? Check or X?
Ay, Maricar.
Ala!
Andito na eh.
Ba't ba lumipat? Oh, no! Sayang.
Power of two.
nga, di ba?
Sayang.
Dalawa lang.
Ay,
So
Maricar.
tama yung dalawa lang bossing members.
Thank you very much.
Folk rock duo. Si Indy tsaka si Go.
Indigo.
Ang ganda.
Ay, pero maraming salamat pa rin ni Maricar.
Thank
Thank
you,
you, Maricar.
Hope you had fun.
Ang ibig sabihin, we have a winner at yan ay si Nell Rose.
Yeah, Nell Rose.
Tingnan natin ha kung magkano yung tip na nakuha mo. Buksan natin. 1, 2, 3.
Yan na!
5,000 pesos.
Nell Rose, pwede pang ma-times 2 ang tip mo at maging 10,000 pesos.
Dahil eto na ang bonus round.
Sa bonus round, kailangan mo lang makinig ng mabuti sa mga close performers at ang unang magko-concert, clone ni Gary Valenciano.
There were nights when the wind was so cold and my body froze in bed if I just listened to it right outside the window. I finished crying in the instant that you left, and I can't remember where or when or how. And I banish every memory you and I have ever made. Baby, baby, when I kiss you like this, and when you whisper like that, it was so long ago, but it's all coming back to me. If you want me like this, and if you need me like that, then we see what we want to see, all coming back to me. The flesh and the fantasies all coming back to me. I can barely recall, but it's all coming back to me now.
Ang next artist natin, ang clone ni Freddie Mercury.
For all those times you stood by me, for all the truth that you made me see, for all the joy you brought to my life, for all the wrong that you made right, for every dream you made come true, for all the love I found in you, I'll be forever grateful. because you love me. Ooh, I'm everything I am because you love me.
Galing ni Celino tsaka ni Siling, ha?
Si Mang Siling.
Si Mang Siling. Bonus round. Nel Rose, A or B? Sa anong kanta nakaduet ni Charis Pempenco si Celine Dion noong 2008 sa kanyang concert sa New York? Nakaduet siya.
Parang nainggit si Karen. Nakaduet si Celine.
Is it A, It's All Coming Back to Me Now? Or B, Because You Loved Me? For the bonus, A or B? Good luck. 10 seconds to decide. Timer starts now. Oy! Oy, bumalik. Bumalik sa Bio!
Baka abutan ka na! Hindi na umalis.
Saan na?
Hindi na umalis na mewang na lang.
Hello!
Sabi?
Because you love me.
Sigurado kayo? Hindi ba napunta sa A? Pero bumalik sa B?
Bumalik.
Nakaw.
Ala.
Bidaw bossing.
Sayang.
Ito yung linya kasi niyan, bossing. Parang dire-diretso to, patotot to eh.
Alamin natin, may bonus kaya si Nel Rose. Check or X?
Ala. Ala.
Correct!
Panalo ka ng 10,000 pesos!
Congrats, Nero.
Thank you so much po. Itbulaga. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. Lalo ka na bossing!
Yeah!
Thank you, Nel Rose.
Congrats, Nel Rose.
Charis
Basta-
Pempenco, 16 years old pa lang sa room.
Wow!
Oo, nakaduet niya. Concert, kanino mong concert?
Kay Celine yata.
Kay kumaring Celine.
Na pinsan ni paring Celine.
Kasi Celine.
Basta ba na clothes open, concert na, may papremyo pa.